What's up, guys? So this is looking like a familiar sight, isn't it? Back in the car again. I love the trees around here. They're all changing colors. So back to the Action 5/Action 6 dilemma on which do I keep, which do I use. I had another bit of a, I don't know, we call it epiphany today. Because, like I mentioned before, I have actually been doing YouTube for a while now, and that was the purpose of these cameras, is to kind of help me out in public. Specifically, one of the types of videos I used to make, and they do surprisingly well, like on my other channel, and there's lots of channels that do it actually. It's like the kind of like shop with me channel, or shop with me videos. Basically, it's just like it sounds. You go to a store and then you show what's on sale. Me personally, basically just go to Costco or Sam's Club, stuff like that. A lot of people will go to like Home Depot and Lowe's and show tool deals, which that's a thing too, but we love Costco. We're addicted to Costco. I'm actually going back to Costco, even though we just left Costco, because my wife wanted some more of these leggings. So I got the tag and I'm heading back there to try to pick up another couple pairs because she really liked them. Happy wife, happy life, right? We just spent $600 there literally and heading back for more. But while I was there, and because I'm trying to get back into the realm of, creating content, I was recording some sales because it's, Black Friday-ish now. And I started to do it with this, but quickly realized that even though it's smaller and kind of inconspicuous compared to a phone or a camera, not having a zoom really sucks, because when you go to Costco, like the prices for whatever item you're buying and the actual item are pretty far apart. Like the price can be a solid, 4, 5, 6 feet above the item because it's, such a big store. And using the Osmo to do it, you can do it, but it's like pretty vague because it's so wide. But with my phone, I was able to punch into 2x or 5x and then 0.5, just boop, 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 boop. So phones still have a spot in my heart as far as making content goes. I still love the action cameras. This whole thing, like my Osmo Pocket 3, I love, even though it's a finicky little guy. There's no issues with it, just the starting sequence and just gimbals as a whole as they drift. How's the dynamic range looking there? It just got a little dark, and it's kind of dark to begin with. But again, with the Osmo 6 order, I actually was on Amazon last night and I checked my order status, and it's now showing that it's gonna ship between December, I can't remember, but it was basically guaranteed after Christmas, and it's not even December yet. So I'm like, I don't know. Do I want to wait like that another month for it and then know that probably not going to be super useful for this kind of content? Or do I would just want to stick it out with this Action 5, which essentially is going to be the same thing, and use my phone for the in-store stuff like I've been doing basically forever. I had even an older phone back in the days, and it worked just fine with the zoom and everything. So another dilemma, another gear in the wrench, all because I couldn't get it in time, and first world problems. But just wanted to pop in real quick, do another quick little vlog just to remind you guys that if you are in the market for the Action 5, the Action 6, the Osmo Pocket, whatever, just because you think you have a use case for it, which you very well may, they're not always the best, and phones are still universal and awesome, mainly because of those cameras, all the different lens options you have, all in this little thing that you probably already have. Realistically, the image quality is probably better than this too, but memory fills up, battery dies, so, you know, nothing's perfect, but they're tools just like everything else. Everything has a purpose. You got to know what the purpose is for the item you're buying before you buy it. That way you don't waste your money. That's what I'm trying to help everyone do. I'm trying to help myself do it by deciding if I should, again, keep the 5 or return the 5 and get the 6, because it doesn't look like I'm going to get the 6 anytime soon. I am now at Costco enjoying the rest of my Coke Zero and my sanity before I go back into that zoo, because as you can imagine, whoo, there's a lot of people. But that's going to do it for now. I might throw in a sample or two of the video quality of this camera inside of Costco for doing kind of product showcase stuff, if that's the kind of thing you're into. Might be, might not be. Hey, it's my thing, because I don't really know why it's my thing, but it is. I just kind of stumbled across it and seems to work out. All right, so until next time, enjoy these clips and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for lots more videos just like this. Peace.
String in your bones. Watching a movie, Woojer pulls you right into the scene. Need to relax? Woojer transports you into a peaceful, calm state of mind. It's unlike anything out there and is the perfect gift for yourself or loved ones. If you want to experience sound with a device that actually makes a difference, get your Woojer now. Hi, meet Woojer. It'll forever change the way you experience sound. Playing a game, every explosion, every encounter feels like you're right there.